Welcome to episode 182 of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we will take a look at how to trade using a bearish pin bar. Pin bars, as you know, are one of the easiest patterns to identify because we are only looking for a single candlestick. So let's go to the charts and we'll take a look at what a bearish pin bar looks like and how to enter a trade based on this type of a trade setup, where to place our stop loss, and most importantly, how to exit the trade with a profit. We're looking at a bearish pin bar trade setup. This is pound yen 1 hour chart. Like I mentioned before, pin bar is one of my favorite trade setups because we are only looking at one candlestick. So this one here is our bearish pin bar. In a bearish pin bar, we have a long wick on the top and a small candle body. A bearish pin bar shows that the price has rejected the level higher and there are more sellers that are in charge now and price is likely to move lower. Once we see this trade setup, we are looking for a short entry as this is a bearish trade setup. So we're looking for price to move lower from here. So we can enter the trade at the close of the pin bar. Sometimes we can get a pullback, which we can take as well. But in this case, there's no pullback and we can just enter the trade at the close of the pin bar here. Our stop would go above this high. We just want to make sure that there is enough room for trade to breathe in case price comes up to the resistance level and test the resistance level once again. Once we enter the trade short, we stay in the trade as long as price is moving lower. Here we see that price comes into this previous support and resistance area, but it stays below this level here. So we can see the support here turns into resistance and price holds below, which means that price is likely to move lower. So we stay with the trade, and as we can see, price goes into the next support and resistance area here. And now we get a big indecision candle. An indecision candle has wicks on both sides and small candle body, which means that at this point there is indecision in the market and there's a fight between buyers and sellers, and we don't know which side is going to win. Generally, when we get indecision candles, we tend to have reversals or pullbacks, so it's a good time to exit our trade. From entry to exit here, we get 150 pips in the trade. So just to recap, a bearish pin bar is a single candlestick formation where we have price test the higher level and then reject that level to move lower. So this pin bar trade setup is formed with one candlestick with a long wick on top and a small candle body. Once we see this trade setup form, we enter the trade short as we're expecting the market to drop from here. The stop goes above the previous highs, making sure there's enough room for trade to breathe. And then we stay with the trade for as long as price continues lower. And once we get to this support and resistance level here, we see that price is not, we see that the price could reverse. So we exit our trade. From entry to exit, we get 150 pips in our trade. So our profit is 150 pips or $1,500 if trading one standard lot. If you'd like to learn more profitable Forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well. As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points, so you will receive that as a special bonus.
The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course.
Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you liked this episode. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. I'll be back with another great trade setup next time.